just pretend that that actually cut it. Ta-da! It was like the second cheapest motherboard on Amazon, but you know what? It'll work. Oh. I am doing a backup export of this, and then I'm going to export the stems because I can't save, because I'm still using that fucking trial version. Obnoxious. Those should not be on the same track. We're doing this. Here's my sound effect. Oh, that's not what punches sound like. Look at the dust on all of the... I'm actually gonna have a fucking backplate on my motherboard. Wow. Wow. That's... Wow. I will not mention that. Oh my god. Ark of the Covenant looking ass. This is my gaming PC. I mean, I don't mean to brag, but this is my gaming PC. You can see we got, look at that dual channel DDR3 RAM. That's the RAM of the future. We got SATA ports in the middle of the fucking board. Why? That's your front panel USB. That's the good stuff right there. Let's go. It's free. Yeah. I don't want to hear any, you're not supposed to hold it by the cooler. This thing deserves none of my respect. It can fuck itself. We'll deal with that later. The gamer is in. Time to test. I really hope this fucking works. Hey! Please enter setup to configure. The only option I had there was to push F1. Okay, here we are. That went smoother than I expected. Got both RAM running at minimum frequency. Oops. Turns out I was actually in ES mode. Now we have all the settings to play with. I don't expect it to go any higher than 2666, so I think I just have to restart for that to happen. And if it doesn't, I just won't worry about it, because 2133 is still like double my old RAM's frequency. I think it was like 1600 megahertz or something like that. So not really. And I've got 6 cores and a faster clock speed. Oh, and hyperthreading. Wow. I do not remember changing cast latency shit. Just go. Just go. See if we get to the login screen. Alright, and then I can just haphazardly put the computer back together while it's still on because I'm too lazy to turn it off to do that. It'd be really funny if my install bricked just then.